bawb, croeso I Dysgu Cymraeg gyda Teulu, Miss Worth yma. Heddiw, dyn ni'n dysgu y Wyddor. Morning everyone, Miss Worth here. And today we will be learning about the Welsh alphabet. The Welsh alphabet is different to the English alphabet. It has 29 letters, and some of the letters we know are missing. The Welsh alphabet does not have the letters K, X, Q, V, and Z. When using the alphabet to sound out words, there are no silent letters in the Welsh alphabet. So words such as cath, you can use the alphabet to sound it k, a, th. This will help you when you're trying to learn to read in Welsh. Are you ready to learn the Welsh alphabet?
Y Wyddor, the alphabet. A, affal. B, bola. C, coch. Ch, chwech. D, drws. Dd, bwrdd. E, elephant. V, van. F, ffenest. G, glass. N, bang. H, het. I, ink. J, jam. L, lorry. Sh, schlong. N, mat. N, now. O, oren. P, pen. F, I fen. R, rocket. Tr, rhedeg. S, seren. T, teddy. Th, cath. I, un. W, wal. Ysgol.
And now you know all of the sounds in the Welsh alphabet. Why not watch the video again and try and say the sounds along with the video? Also, you can Google Q's alphabet song, where you can see a really fun song that will help you to learn the sounds in the alphabet. If you are in Key Stage 2, why not have a go at reading one of the books in the Google Classroom, or a book that you have at home that might be in Welsh? See how you go using the sounds to help you sound out the words. I hope you've enjoyed learning the Welsh alphabet today. Next time we will be learning gyda'r, the date. Diolch yn fawr.